So our little thread issue we've resolved. I ended up getting a die for a 3/4 pipe, and I worked at it, and we're good to go. So we have the vacuum pump on it. I'm running the motor just to get everything up to temp. Getting ready to go. New dryer, new expansion valve, 134. We are ready to charge here. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Everything's back together. Wes is in a good mood. I dropped pliers on the floor. Look, the temperature gauge actually moves. So we've changed out the evaporator, the heater core, everything. Got everything holding vacuum good enough. Got everything charged. And of course now the evaporator's leaking.